Budgeting tools and apps. Simplify your finances with technology. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest technology trends and how they can simplify our lives. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: budgeting tools and apps. If you're looking to take control of your finances and simplify the process, these tools are here to help. Let's dive in. Budgeting can be a daunting task for beginners, but thanks to advancements in technology, there are numerous apps and tools available to simplify the process. Today, we'll showcase some of the best budgeting tools and apps, discuss their features, benefits, and guide you on how to use them effectively. 1. Mint. Our first budgeting tool is Mint, a popular app that offers a comprehensive approach to managing your finances. Mint allows you to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investments in one place. It automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to track your expenses. Here's how it works. After creating an account, you connect your financial accounts to Mint. The app then pulls your transaction data and categorizes it automatically. You can set monthly budgets for different categories like groceries, entertainment, or transportation. Mint sends alerts and notifications when you're approaching your budget limits, helping you stay on track. Mint offers several benefits. Firstly, it provides a holistic view of your financial health, giving you a clear understanding of your spending patterns. Secondly, it helps you set savings goals and provides insights on your progress. Finally, Mint offers personalized tips and recommendations to improve your financial well-being. 2. You need a budget, YNAB. Our next tool, You Need a Budget, commonly known as YNAB, takes a proactive approach to budgeting. It follows a unique methodology that focuses on assigning every dollar a job. YNAB works by helping you create a budget based on your income and expenses. You allocate your money into various categories and track your spending accordingly. YNAB encourages you to live within your means and make informed financial decisions. YNAB offers several benefits. Firstly, it helps you break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck by providing a clear plan for your money. Secondly, it encourages you to save for upcoming expenses and financial goals. Finally, YNAB offers educational resources and live workshops to enhance your financial literacy. 3. PocketGuard. Our third tool, PocketGuard, focuses on simplifying your budgeting process with a clean and intuitive interface. PocketGuard connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, analyzes your transactions, and provides a snapshot of your current financial situation. It automatically categorizes your expenses and helps you set realistic spending limits. PocketGuard offers several benefits. Firstly, it gives you a clear overview of your income, expenses, and savings. Secondly, it tracks your bills and sends reminders to avoid late fees. Finally, PocketGuard provides insights on how to optimize your spending to save more. 4. Personal Capital. Our final tool, Personal Capital, is a budgeting app that focuses on investment tracking and retirement planning alongside traditional budgeting features. Personal Capital allows you to link your investment and retirement accounts to track their performance and analyze your overall net worth. It also provides tools for retirement planning, asset allocation, and investment recommendations. Personal Capital offers several benefits. Firstly, it provides a comprehensive view of your financial picture, integrating both budgeting and investment tracking. Secondly, it offers personalized advice based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Finally, Personal Capital helps you plan for retirement by projecting your future income and expenses. Now that we've explored these budgeting tools and apps, let's discuss some general tips on how to use them effectively and maximize their benefits. Tip 1. Set clear goals. Before diving into these apps, it's essential to set clear financial goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund, having specific goals will give you direction and motivation. Tip 2. Connect your accounts. To fully utilize the features of these budgeting tools, connect all your financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. By doing so, you'll have a complete overview of your financial health in one place. Tip 3. Categorize your expenses. Take the time to categorize your expenses accurately. These apps use transaction categories to provide insights into your spending patterns. It's important to review and adjust the categories as needed to ensure accurate tracking. Tip 4. Set realistic budgets. When setting budgets, be realistic and consider your income, expenses, and financial goals. Set achievable targets for each category and regularly monitor your progress. Adjustments may be necessary as your financial situation changes. Tip 5. Regularly review and analyze. Make it a habit to review your financial transactions and budgeting progress regularly. This practice will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending, optimize your savings, and make informed financial decisions. Tip 6. Utilize notifications and alerts. Take advantage of the notifications and alerts offered by these apps. They can remind you of upcoming bills, warn you when you're approaching budget limits, and provide valuable insights to keep you on track. Budgeting tools and apps can be powerful allies in your journey towards financial stability. Whether you choose Mint, YNAB, PocketGuard, Personal Capital, or any other tool, the key is to find the one that aligns with your goals and preferences. Remember, these tools are designed to simplify the process and provide valuable insights into your financial habits. However, they are not a substitute for sound financial planning and decision-making. It's important to use them as a tool to support your financial goals and stay disciplined in your spending habits. We hope that today's discussion has shed some light on the different budgeting tools and apps available, and how they can simplify your finances with technology. Remember, with the right tools and a proactive approach, you can take control of your financial future. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.